Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need white, black, and brown pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a piece of string. We're going to start with this pattern here. So if you want to stop the video, you can to lay your beads out. We're going to start with black on each side. Black that goes through both. Black on one side, brown on the other. Brown that goes through both. Brown on each side. Brown that goes through both. Brown on one side, white on the other. Brown that goes through both. Brown on both sides. Brown that goes through both. Black on one side, brown on the other. Black that goes through both. And black on each side. You're going to hold this end and pull the other string. You're going to make that tight on both sides. And then tie it. Okay, cut that off. We're going to put our needle on. You're going to go through this black bead. We're going to add a black, brown, white, you're going to add another white, brown, and black. We're going to flip this over, go through this black. We're going to add a black. We're going to add another black, brown, brown, black, and black. Okay, we're going to go down these two black, up this black, and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add a black, and we're going to go through these two brown. We're going to add a brown, and then we're going to go through these two, and you're going to add a black and go through these two. Flip it over and we'll go through these two. Okay, we're going to add a brown, another brown, white, brown, and another brown. We're going to go down these two black, up this brown, and then down this one. Okay, we're going to add a black, white, white, black, flip it over. We're going to add brown, another brown. We're going to add white, brown, and another brown. We're going to go down these two. We're going to go up these two and down this one. We're going to add a brown, white, another white, brown, flip it over. We're going to add brown, white, white, another white, and brown. You're going to go down these two. Up these two, and then down this one. Flip it over. Okay, we're going to add white, another white, white, another white, flip it over. We're going to add brown, white, black, white, and brown. We're going to go down these two. Up these two, and then down this one. Flip it over. This row will be white. Whoops. Okay, we're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this one. Flip it over. This row is going to be white. Okay, we're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this one. Flip it over. This row will be white. We're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add a white, and I like to tie it over here, so I'm going to go through all these beads. If you want, you can tie it down here. It doesn't matter. Tie this and cut it off. Okay, that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time. time.